Today I'm going to be working on a 2021 Hyundai Veloster N.
The truth.
Going to be installing an aftermarket blow-off valve. Make sure you let the vehicle cool off enough because you don't want to be working on an extremely hot motor. First thing you're going to want to do is take out these little clips right here for the air duct. Next, you're going to undo these 4 bolts right here. You got 2 on this side and 2 on this side. They're all 10 millimeter. I'm going to be using a combination of just long extensions and a little pivot head for the socket as well. Once you get it unbolted, you're going to pair a needle nose and you're going to take out this little clamp right here that holds the hose on for the blow-off valve. Alright, once that little clip is out, you can go ahead and pull the blow-off valve up. Just be careful, you don't want to get it caught on anything. But next, we're going to use a pair of pliers and take this little clamp off right here and then remove the hose. If you still have the stock intake, there'll be a hose on the end of this, so you'd have to remove the hose if you want to replace it. Here's a quick side-by-side between the two. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and insert the hose onto here and clamp down the hose clamp. Alright, once you got your hose on, you're going to go ahead and mount it back down there. Next, for this, the hose for the blow-off valve, I'm just going to zip tie it up to this connector over here, because right now I'm kind of worried it's going to kind of flap around and get in the way of stuff, so. Because this clip won't fit back on down there without bending this hose too much. It might crimp it, so yeah, now just zip tie it up this way. Once you got all that together, we're going to go ahead and put on our little air inlet again. Once that's back in, you're all good to go. If you have any questions or comments about installing an aftermarket one, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. Hope this video helped.